Welcome back to Arhaan's Bigworld. Today we're taking Arhaan on the train ride. After the pandemic, it's the first time I'm taking him without his stroller. Usually I take his stroller. Also, he got taller and it's very hard for me to carry the stroller around. So today I put monkey strap, known as harness strap. So let's see how he does. He did pretty well, but he was cranky as well and had some meltdown on the way back on the train. So let's watch the full video. And also I just want to mention I made this video into part 1 and part 2 because the video was a little longer and I couldn't give you all the information. So we will be walking around 34th Street today. Let's walk with us and see how Arhaan enjoy his beautiful day today. This monkey harness belonged to my daughter. When she was young, I had to buy it for her because she was also hyperactive. For my daughter, I didn't use them much. But for Arhaan, I believe this monkey strap will be very helpful because he runs around and I don't feel comfortable when he's outside with lots of people. And also, I believe he's safe. Every time he will move, I will know where he is. And also, it is a little dangerous because if he walk fast or move fast, he might have a sudden fall. So it's better to avoid all the time, and we have to stay a little closer to him. And I also try to hold his hand while I have strap on. I just don't leave everything on the strap. So here I just recorded to show you all a little bit, and also he didn't want us to touch it right now, so just let him walk freely. But most of the time we try to catch up with him so this way he doesn't fall. And this is the Yankee Stadium area because we live near the Yankee Stadium. So this area is always crowded, and today there was a game. That's why you see more crowded. So let's enjoy the train ride with us from 161st Street to 31st Street. If you still haven't subscribed to Arhaan's Big World, please subscribe, share, and comment.
Are you happy? Excited? Hey, how are you? Okay? এখন তো সে এভরি ডে যেতে যাবে।
In this train station, they have B, D4 train. We are taking D train downtown because we're getting up to 34th Street. That's called downtown. This is our Metrocard machine, so we are refilling our cards so we can take the train. Yeah, huh?
Right there.
Arhaan is very excited to get on the train. He really loves the train, but also he doesn't like the sound because he's very sensitive to sound. So he gets a little nervous when he sees the train and also very excited. And here we're all waiting for the train, and also because it's a big day for us, we're a little nervous. We don't know how he's gonna act and what he's gonna do. So the train almost here, and let's see how he gets in and his excitement.
See, the train is here. Oh, the move. to get on the train.
Wait. Stay here. Stay here. Yes.
Don't lean on it.
See?
Hello, everyone. Every train movement step always on. Please don't lean on or watch over it. Talking about G next stop, 7th Avenue. Excellent, hold there, please.
See? Arhaan. Hi.
Take all my enemies, leave me alone. Leave me alone. God bless you. Oh yeah. Now, what's this traffic? I'm on the line.
To your right. To your right. Train. Bye bye train. Arhaan. That's not nice. Then we're not gonna go. Look in the front. Left side. You want French fries? No? So do you want to eat something? Be careful, it's Pete. This is what, huh? You want to touch? Do you want to touch? Oh no.
Take a picture. Go, jump.
That's right.
What do you want to eat? You want hot dogs?
Hot dog.
Let's get hot dog. You want hot dog? Do you want?
He doesn't want to. I don't want to hot dog.
Okay, I'm not gonna record. But do you want hot dog? This is the 34th Street Macy's. We're finally here. And you can see Empire State Building. But Arhaan got annoyed. He doesn't want me to record, and also he does not want me to go to any store. So we just ate some halal food and sat in the park and we walked around. And my daughter wanted to go to a pet store, so we looked around some pet store. Yes.
He asked if we wanted onions to still be in the salad.
Twinkle, 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 twinkle,
Really nothing.
twinkle.
Let's eat. Eat. When you finish, I'm gonna get you soda. Let's finish. Not on the floor. Arhaan.
Why did you do that?
Look, it's okay. Look, you can.
Now I know my end.
Look, birdie.
Now I know my end.
Right next to it.
Oh, there's one right there. Look.
Yeah, that was the
Now
one.
I know my end.
Ah, look, birdie. Arhaan was so excited to see the birds, so we spent a little time on the park. And then we went to walk to the Doing Read and walked around. Let's finish your food.
Yay!
Finish it so I can get it. Look, you came to get your rice. Ah, so you want rice, birdie? So now we're going to Doing Read to pick up some ginger ale, and then we're going to walk around to go to pet store. It's a long way, so that's why I divided this video into two parts. So please watch our part 2 video so you can get what happened on the way back, and why does Arhaan had a meltdown. He didn't want to come back. He really was enjoying there. So look out for the part 2 video. And this is the highlight of our part 2 video. We went to 14th Street Union Square, and on the way back Arhaan had a very bad meltdown. So look out for the part 2 video, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to Arhaan's Big World.